Today I am building my new powerful PC for gaming and video editing, and wait till the end to see how amazing this steps looks when it turns on. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to build my new PC step by step by using some powerful components that are perfect for gaming, streaming and video editing. So let's start with the brain of the computer, the processor. I am using the powerful AMD Ryzen 5 9600X, which is perfect for gaming and editing tasks. Next, we install the motherboard, the base of the system. I am using the Gigabyte B850M Force Wi-Fi 6E V2, which supports modern processor and fast connectivity. Now comes the most exciting part, the graphic card. I am installing the colorful Battle AX RTX 5060 16GB. This graphic card is great for high FPS gaming, video rendering and creating content. Now the most important thing, to keep the processor cool, I am installing the Deepcool LE240 V2 liquid cooler. Liquid cooling helps maintain low temperature and better performance during heavy gaming or editing. For memory, I am installing two 16GB RAM sticks, total 32GB DDR5 at 5600 MHz from XPG. This will help with smooth multitasking and faster editing performance. For storage, I am using 1 TB of XPG GAMX S60 NVMe SSD, which provides super fast boot time and quick file loading. To power this whole system, I am using the AND eSports 750 watts 80 plus gold power supply, which delivers stable power to all the components, which is fully modular. All the components go inside the Circle Defender X7 ATX cabinet, which has good airflow and stylish gaming design. It comes with 7 pre-installed Infinity fans. For now, I am using a simple wired keyboard and mouse combo, perfect to start gaming and editing. And for display, I am using the Acer Nitro KG1 gaming monitor with full HD resolution and 200Hz refresh rate, which is amazing for smooth gaming. After installing every component and double checking all the cables, the moment finally came to power on my PC. Honestly, I was a little nervous because this is my first time building a PC. But when I pressed the power button, everything lit up perfectly. The RGB lights turned on, the fan started spinning, and the whole setup looks absolutely amazing. Seeing the clean build inside the case made all the effort worth it. This PC is not just a machine for me. It's the start of a new journey. I am super excited to use it for gaming, editing videos and creating more contents for my YouTube channel. There are going to be many new videos coming soon. Gameplay, PC upgrades and creative projects. So this is just the beginning and I can't wait to see what this build can really do. If you enjoyed this PC building video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech, gaming and PC build content. And comment below what games I should test on this new setup.